Today I made a delicious burger. It's not just a burger. When I cook, I want my recipes to make you feel good, look good, and have good energy. You know, Bobby Flay always talks about his famous burger, but I don't think Bobby Flay can touch me on this burger. What I did, I left the burgers out of the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Then I made my special bread, preheated the oven to 400. I took a parsnip paper, put it on the bottom of the tray. Then I made 2 buns because I'm cooking 2 burgers. I put 2 cups of Parmesan cheese. Then I put 2 slices of cheddar cheese on the top of the Parmesan cheese. Altogether, I used 4 slices of cheddar cheese. Then I took 1 sweet onion. I cut it in half. I sliced it nice and thin. And I put the onions right on the top of the cheese. And I put it in the oven for 12 minutes. I took a fry pan. On the bottom of the fry pan, I use avocado oil because I like the richness of the avocado oil. That way I don't have to use any butter. I put the heat in medium heat. I let the oil get warmed up. Then I put my burgers on the fry pan. What I did, I put a couple of holes on the top of the burger because I want the ponzu sauce and the A1 sauce to stay on the burger. Then I use 1 tablespoon of ponzu sauce and 1 tablespoon of A1 sauce for each burger. I let the burger cook for 3 minutes in each side. Then what I did, I flipped the burger over and I let it cook for 3 minutes. So altogether, the burger takes about 6 minutes. I didn't use a lid on the fry pan, but if you have a lid, you can put the lid on the top, and that way the oil, it doesn't drizzle, you know, and the burger that way will cook a little faster. Maybe if you put a lid on the burgers, it might need only 5 minutes. I mean, you usually have burger buns. My burger buns made out of cheese, and I took them out of the oven, and I let it to cool down like 10 minutes because if it's hot, it doesn't hold together well. So maybe if you cook the cheese a little earlier, it might be better. Then I put the burgers on the top of the cheese, so the bun is made out of cheese. Let me tell you something. When you take a bite out of this burger, I don't know how to describe it. The flavor is amazing because you taste the cheese, you taste the onions, the A1 sauce with the ponzu sauce. It makes the meat taste very rich. I'm telling you, when I had this burger, it was just, I don't know, it was a life-changing. I don't know how to express. I would get all these ideas in my head like 1 o'clock in the morning, and I will get up and make these recipes. So I don't know if the universe gives it to me. I don't know if God gives it to me. But I'm telling you something. When you are sleeping, I'm in my kitchen making delicious recipes so you guys can enjoy it. Good energy every day. Subscribe, like, and share.